Great location near jetty and shopping place. Exceptional, very clean and affordable homestay that you can stay. I love it, and will repeat to stay here again. Smiley face, smiley face. Great stay. We came in a large group and everyone was very satisfied with the accommodations. The bedrooms are spacious and has enough beds for everyone. The house was very clean and we loved it. Definitely recommended for group staycations. Heart. Best homestay ever, really recommended for big family. Thanks for the best service. 1000% best. Exceptional turbake, boleh sini lagi. Most comfortable stay. Hats off to host for provide such a most comfortable homestay. 2-story with 4 rooms. We 6 adults and 7 kids had a great night's sleep on comfy beds after a long day tiredness. There is no bed for no person. Well recommended for those looking for accommodation such as own roof. Thanks a lot to host for prepared enough no of towels and not forget our complimentary instant noodles. Starstruck, looking for water heater fixed in deep future and downstairs room for elderly used. Definitely will come again to this homestay. Well done host, sparkling heart, exceptional comfortable to stay, recommended for family, feels at home. Cozy house to stay. Very near to Kuah town. Clean and can accommodate a lot PPL since have 4 rooms. Master room has its own toilet. The other 2 rooms share toilet and last room was on ground floor also near with downstairs toilets. Worries free for large group of PPL like us which need use toilet same time. Perfect Kantic, Celessa, Lewis. Recommended all good. Keep it up yeah, smiley face. Nice and clean, nice and clean. Definitely will come again and stay here. We came to Langkawi in group of big family. And we booked 2 units from the same host. It was adjacent to each other. Very convenient. The facilities were awesome. Really near to the Kuah town. And nearby small mini markets to cater your needs. All rooms have aircon too. We'll definitely come here again and book this unit next time. Fully recommended.